Hello all, welcome to Jyoti. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay. So we deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Today I have some Kerala cotton sarees. Okay, it's for Onam special. Okay, it's called Kerala cotton sarees. I have some two varieties, and the third variety is from old collection. Okay, one saree in the third variety, and I have some three sarees on Chanderi cotton. It's a simple designer saree. Okay, the blouse is work. I will explain the details along with the product displays. Okay, the price range will be from 400 to 750 in all around. Okay, so I will explain the details now. So just a minute, I will mute my phone. Okay. 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 So all of them are Kerala cotton sarees. Okay, so I have two different varieties. Okay, I will explain the details. The first one is a simple Kerala cotton saree. Okay, you have the zaris, just a zari in the borders, and on the pallu you have a very small 1.5 inch borders. Okay, it's a gold zari border in 1.5 inch. Okay, it's a plain cotton saree, and in the pallu you have a 3 inch design. Okay, it's all zari work. It's a golden zari. This is the pallu. Okay, and you have the tiny borders in both the ends. Okay, it's a plain half white saree. It's not pure white, it's a half white saree. You have the running blouse coming in the saree as well. Okay, you have the running blouse. The total is 6.3 meters. So this is a plain saree. We have some 10 sarees in this collection. Okay, so we have matched the sarees with brocade, and also not brocade, it's a jacquard, and also some tissue sarees. So this is the first one. You have the maroon jacquard blouse, and you have a red jacquard blouse, and you have a orange color tissue, a brown shaded tissue, a red shaded tissue, and a green shaded tissue. So if you want only the saree comes with the running blouse. Okay, the saree length is 6.3 meters in all around. It has just the borders. Only saree is 400 rupees. Just the saree 400 rupees. If you want the extra blouse, either jacquard or the tissue blouse, you can go with that with extra 50 rupees. So just the saree is 400 plus shipping charges. With extra blouse, you will be charged 450 rupees with shipping charges. Okay, extra shipping charges. So this is the first saree collection. I will explain the details again. Okay, you have a simple tiny zari border in both the corners, and in the pallu you have a 3 inch gold work. Okay, this is the saree, a plain saree matched with the blouse pieces. Just the saree is 400 rupees, with extra blouse piece is 50 rupees extra. Okay, so this is the first collection. So this is the first one. I'm moving with the next. So the next one is also a Kerala cotton, but in the pallu you have the zari designs. Okay, so I will show you the details. So this is priced at 600 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Okay, this is ivory white color. It's not half white, it's like a ivory white color. That means it will be more similar to the white color, okay, than the sandal color. Okay, so this is the first one. You have this kind of a zari work in the pallu. Okay, this also comes with a running blouse, and in the pallu part you have a small tiny zari work, but in the center part you will be having only the zari in the pleating area. Okay, other areas it will be plain. Okay, in the bottom pleating area you have the zari work, just a 2 zari work. In the pallu you have a gapped thing, and this is the pallu. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. This is priced at 600 rupees. This is priced at 600 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. I have 4 designs in this one. The pallu design will be varying. This is the first one. For all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So this is the next one. You have a lotus design of saree. Okay, so this is the zari work you can see in the pallu, and you have this kind of a stripes Okay, it will be coming in the upper portion and in the pleating area you have this kind of a zari. Okay, other areas it will be the sari will be plain. This kind of lines won't come all over the sari. Okay, that's what I am trying to explain. So this is the pallu. This sari also comes with the running same color blouse. Okay, this is a ivory white. It's not pure white. It's ivory white shade. Okay, this is the sari. Price is 600 rupees. I'm moving with the next one. So this is the next design. You have the sunflower work along with the other designs. Okay, this is the next design. And you have the stripes like this. It's all zari woven. Okay, and in the sari pleating area you have the two lines. Okay, so this is the next one. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries and WhatsApp me at 91505-56870. All of them are Kerala cotton sarees, specially came for Onam special. Okay. And this is the other design. The fabric will be very good. It's all pure cotton. It will be very soft as well. So this is the next one. It will not require starch. Okay, it will be very soft. You can wash it normal itself. And you have the stripes like this. And the plain sari, just in the pleating area, you have this kind of a stripes. Okay, the stripes will be similar to the one on the top. And this is the design. The sari length is 6.3 meters. Okay, I hope you can able to see the design clearly. Okay, it's all zari woven. So just I will show you the sari work. Okay, it's all zari woven. The sari will be very soft. The quality will be very good. It's all pure cotton. Okay, it will blend easily. It will be blending easily. Okay. So this is the next collection. All these saris are prices 600 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. This sari is also for cotton Kerala style. Okay, but it's a hand painted. Okay, this is from my previous collection. This is an offer. Its price is 650. Okay, it's in the offer price 650. Just one sari is left. This is similar to the one that I have been wearing today. So all of them are hand brush painted. Okay, the painting is hand brush painting. It's an offer price 650. It's also ivory white color. Okay, with green combination. This is the body part. All over the body you have the same kind of a design. Okay, a very tiny golden sari border along with this pallu. Okay, green color pallu. And the blouse is also hand brush painted, contrast color, green color. So this is the next sari. This is also price is 650 rupees. The price is an offer. Okay, this is the single sari that been left. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries and WhatsApp me or inbox me to my page. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. These are all I have for the Kerala cotton saris. The next one I am going with the Chanderi cotton sari. It's a simple designer sari. The fabric is a Chanderi cotton. Okay, you have a plain body part along with small buttons. Okay, and also a lace work. Okay, a lace work in the borders and small buttons glued it up. So this is a Chanderi cotton. Price is 750. The sari will be coming plain. Okay, so this is the pallu part. You have a small golden work and also the lace work in the borders. Okay, in the body part, only in the lower part you will be having this buttons. Okay, in the upper part, this is where we will be draping. Okay, in the upper part, in the half sari, you will be having the buttons all over. Okay, in the second half, you will be having only in the lower part. It's a pink color. The blouse is a cut piece actually. So you have a 3 pieces here. One as a back portion with work. Okay, the blouse is a Bangalore blouse. So you have this kind of a embroidery work here. Okay, it's a half white color. And you have the sleeve part. So you have the sleeve work also. Okay, the blouse being given like a cut blouse. Okay, and an extra margin. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the blouse piece. It's a cut blouse actually. So this is a pink color. Price is 750. And the same color, same design I have in a light green shade. Okay, all with white combination. The floral designs will be coming like this. Okay, the design will be the same, just the color will be different. All the thing is same. Okay, and blue color. So the blouse comes with a cut piece blouse. You can stitch till 40 size. Okay, so you have a bluish color. The work is same. Okay, all of these, the price is 750 rupees. The fabric is a Chanderi cotton fabric. Okay, it will be very fine and smooth only. Okay, the blouse is a Bangalore blouse. Okay, the fabric is this one. These are all prices 750 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu, 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So this is the collection. This is full of a lace work border along with the small buttons. Small buttons here. Okay. So this is the collection I have for today. Please like my page for more updates. Please like my page for more updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.